Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. Are you studying at your homes or not? I hope everyone is studying well and doing their assignment carefully of every subject. Okay, so we have completed up to here, up to the activity. So today we'll start from this topic. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Work by the differently abled. Differently abled means who have some defects in their body. Yes, someone who cannot see, someone who don't have hands, someone who is deaf, who cannot hear. So some problems are there in their body parts. Differently abled people also make a major contribution to the society. Okay, here it is told that differently able people also make a very important contribution in the society. Means they are not the one who will not work, don't work or not have any work of any type. They also contribute, they also do some work, they also have some special talent. They are differently able, I agree with that, but then also they have some special talent which we don't have, and that talent gives the contribution to the society. They work in different jobs and rely on their senses to understand their surrounding. Okay, they work on different jobs and their senses means the hearing sense, the seeing sense, the smelling sense, all these sense organs, that helps to understand the surrounding. We should not refer to these people as disabled or handicapped. Whenever we see anyone on the wheelchair, or we see that one don't have the hand, we think that they cannot do any work. How would they do any work? But don't think that. They contribute a very important part of their life in the society. They can do the work. Instead, we should respect their will and determination. Yes, most of the time we should respect their determination and will, that they are doing work. They are not sitting at their homes and just eating. No, they do their work to gain the respect in the society. So we should also respect them, that we are having all the body parts, then also we just became very restless in doing what. But once you see the disabled person, they do not do that. If they don't have one hand, then also they will do the work. Don't have the leg, then also they will do work. They cannot see, then also they do some or other work. So they do the work. That is not that they keep it as a reason that they are not differently able, so they will not do the work. No, they do the work. So we should appreciate it. Yes, because they have one defect in their body, then also they are doing the work, and it is respectful. Yes, we should learn something from that. Yes. Now, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, Costa Coffee, and many others hire both speech and hearing impaired people. Okay, these all hire both speech means who cannot speak and who cannot listen. That people. Until a few years ago, differently abled people were only given low end jobs. Okay, they were given only the low end jobs. That is very low. Means the one who had to clean the floors or one who had to clean the bathroom. That low end job they were getting. But now companies are tapping the vast pool of talented resource. But now companies are seeing the talent of these people and they are giving more respectful job to them. Every job is respectful, it is not there, but more they have to not do the other works. That is low end job. Clear, everyone? Now move to the next page. Use of sense organs to do work. Now how they use sense organ to do work? Smell and taste are two senses that play an important part in our life. Okay, the smell and the taste. We can smell with our nose and taste with our tongue. So that too play a very important role in our lives. They warn us of the dangers such as fire, poisonous fumes, and spoiled food. Okay, the smell warn us from where? Dangers. We can smell if the gas is leaking, we can smell it and we can get saved from the danger. If something food has been smelled or it has been मतलब ख़राब हो गया हो, तो फिर उसे हम सूंघ के साइड कर सकते हैं कि हम उसे ना खाएं. Poisonous fumes means if any poisonous fumes or poisonous air is going on in our surrounding, we can smell it and we can be safe from that. Certain jobs require their senses to be accurate. Okay, there are many jobs that require this to be accurate. That sense, the smelling sense should be very great. Okay, there some of the companies need that person who can smell nicely so that they can do their work properly. Chef and firefighter rely on taste and smell to perform their work. Chef also rely on the taste. They have to taste every food, how the food has became, and their taste only makes the people happy outside. They can if the food's taste is yum, then only chef pass it to the people who are sitting in their restaurant. Otherwise, they will not pass it. Yes, na, because if the food is not good, chef is not happy with the food, the people will be also not happy, because chef know more about the food than ourselves. Yes, firefighters also rely on the smell only. They rely on the smell, how the smell of the where is the smell of the fire and from where the fire has came. These all things are necessary. Shopkeepers that sell food, grains, pulses, lentils, etc., fabric have a good sense of touch. Okay, their touch is very good. If they do not have the eyes also, they can touch and say how the products are there. Okay, through their senses, they can tell the difference between good quality and bad quality food, grain, cloth, material, etc. Okay, their sense of touch is this much good that they can tell the bad and good quality of the product also. Yeah, the shopkeepers, their touch, because they have been in that business for many years, so they become prone to it, they become close to it, and they can tell us that it is a good quality or the bad quality if we ask for the suggestion also. Clear? Now moving on, gender and work. Great strides have been made over the past 50 years regarding gender and work in India. Okay, there are great differences between the work, and the difference is due to the gender. Gender means men and women differences. However, there are still differences between working men and women. Yes, there are differences between the working women and the men. Gender stereotypes. Gender stereotypes means the thinking that why girls will do the job, why girls will go out to study. These type of thinking are prevalent, and these affect career choices. Okay, these are gender stereotypes are seen in many houses also, that they do not allow girls to go out and study, go out and do the job. That's why their career do not take place in a good field. Okay, they just sit in the, they think that the girls should sit in the home and boys should go out and do the work. Girls should do the household chores only, and the boys should do the jobs. But this is not the thing. Girls should get equal opportunity to show their talents. Okay, but many of the houses and many of the jobs do not rely on this, that the woman should do the job. A large number of men opt for jobs such as firefighters, doctors, and police officers. Okay, there are large number of men that apply for the jobs of doctors, police officers, and firefighters. Women mostly opt for careers in nursing and teaching. Okay, women are mostly opting for it, career in nursing and teaching. Cultural factors also influence job selection. Okay, what are the cultural factors that also affect the job selection? Some women have to leave their job after marriage. Do you feel that is correct? Yes. Cultural factor, yes, when they have to go, when they got married to someone else, they think that the girls should not do the job, so they tell the girl that you have to not do the job after you get married to my son. So they have to leave. So it is correct or not? You only think it is correct or what? No, it is not correct. We cannot leave the job just because we are getting married. Yes, na? So that thinking is also going on in our surrounding. Things are slowly changing today. More women are coming forward to work as doctors, teachers, pilots, CEOs, police officers, defense personnel, and astronaut. Okay. Now you know that things are changing a lot. Okay, nowadays things are changing a lot. Many of the women you have seen in the field of the doctor, teacher, nursing, firefighters, police officers. Okay, many of them have become. Now it is not there, that because the thinking is changing in the world, so the people are also thinking that why not our daughters become these things. Everyone is thinking. There is some or other places now also there, this thinking, gender stereotype is going on, but in many places it is not there. So even men are opting for jobs which were done by only women earlier. Okay, even men also changing, like men's are becoming chef, fashion designer, okay, beautician, hairdressers, they do na. So they are just, this job are getting exchanged. What men can do, women also can do. What women can do, men can also do. So these things that every work everyone can do. It is not there that not the one work is made that this work only the boys can do. No, never it is said, and never it is made that this work can can only boys can do. The work can be done by girls also, same work. Clear? हमें सिखाया जाता है कि सपोज हमें सिखाया जाता है, सपोज गर्ल्स कुक फूड यम, यू नो योर मम्मा cooks the food yum, same way your father also cook the food, and there is a taste in the difference. Sometimes your father cooks and you feel like the taste is yum, it is not matchable to the mama's taste, but it is yum. So the boys can also cook. It is not a difficult task that boys cannot cook. So I hope it is clear to everyone these topics, and in this way we have completed our chapter. So if you have any doubt, please ask me in the group. Until then, next session we'll do our question answers. Okay, just you go through the chapters also. I can take the revision test anytime. Clear everyone? So okay, for today this much only. Thank you for listening me. Have a wonderful and great day ahead. Thank you everyone.